Hi, this is RV Resort Living with Pete Sutton. One of the tips I want to talk about today is picking a lot that fits your personality. In this case, we're on lot 124, and I want to talk about private lots. So if you're the kind of person that loves getting out there, playing pickleball, playing golf, spending time with friends, but when you're done, you want your space, then this is the kind of lot you need to think about. So first thing we're going to show you is this one's been landscaped. As you can see up front, they've put in dry scaping so it's easy to maintain. But parking here is also important. You can see they have a full-size car and golf cart. And I'm going to show you in a little bit, there's also room for more if you want. So let's go in and take a look. So this pergola is unique. It has actually an articulating roof, so the louvers can be opened to let in more light, or if you're barbecuing, let the smoke out. And as you can see, they have this completely set up with a beautiful kitchen, all tiled. You can see they've got 2 barbecues, sink, the refrigerator, stovetop stove. Lots of people love using these rolling cabinets that are stainless steel. They're basically a toolbox, but they usually redo the top. That way it matches what they've got for their kitchen. Those handle really well out in the environment. But you can see this is getting quite private in the back. This area is set up as a living room area with a television. They've got blinds all around. They're manual, but it's awesome because if it's a cool morning, you can drop those down and it creates a little room so that the heater can heat it up. Now take a look at this back area, and this is what I mean by private. Go back on the lot. This is your space. They have their own dining area. They have a second area with a fire pit. You can see they've added lots of greenery all around to be able to create more of that privacy, more of that natural feel. It's beautiful. Also in this corner, one of the neat parts about it, you can see it's got AstroTurf, so if you've got a small pet, this is a great place. That way if it's 2 in the morning and they gotta go, you don't have to go to the dog park, you can go right here. So this area is important. So the fire pit, although this is a fantastic place to retreat to, if you brought in 2 full-size cars, you could sacrifice this space for the furniture, back your coach farther so that you have more room for parking up front. So you have options here. In this case, they love their personal space, they love the privacy. And if you do too, this is a great kind of lot for you. This is the place where it's your space when you're done for the day and you want to relax. Here's another tip, is 9 times out of 10, these lots sell with their furnishings. And that is the case with this lot. Nearly all the furnishings will go with the lot. There's a few personal items such as the sound system that they'll keep, but that's something you need to think about when you're making an offer on a lot, is what's going with it. And in the RVing world, it's not uncommon for the furnishings to go with it. Well, thanks for being with us today, and we'll see you next time on RV Resort Living with Pete Sutton. Thanks again.